What's up, guys? This is Andrew down at Newport Richey Harley-Davidson. Check this thing out, 2017 Street Glide. I hope you brought your sunglasses with you. This thing comes with a beautiful front end with a wide 180 front tire, chromed rotors and chromed forks. This thing comes upgraded with LEDs all the way around, front, tail, and turn signals for added visibility. This bike comes with a stage 1 upgrade with the Screaming Eagle high flow air filter and full Reinhardt pipes for that extra torque. Stretch bags were added for that additional sleek look. 2-pillar CVO seat with the second pillar being able to come off for that one-up ride. Added black bag guards for added protection on them saddlebags. For your infotainment system needs, this bike comes with an added Sony aftermarket radio system. This bike is incredibly low mileage with under 1,800 miles on it. This thing is barely broken in. Thanks for checking out this 2017 Street Glide with me today. This thing's hot. Come check it out in person at NPR Harley-Davidson or 24-hour access online at hdflorida.com.